My parents are finally coming for 6 months. It's the sentence we all love to say, but for many of us, it's immediately followed by a wave of anxiety. You suddenly start thinking about your dad's heart condition or your mom's diabetes, or you recall the horror stories you've heard about the $50,000 ER bills. You might have heard that Indian travel insurance is enough, or that insurance doesn't cover pre-existing conditions anyway. Today, we are partnering with Visitors Coverage to break down the best plans that actually work for pre-existing conditions and the fine print that determines if your claim gets paid or rejected. Hi everyone, I'm Priya from It's OKR, and if you are new today, It's OKR is a content platform for South Asian immigrants, and we aim to educate, entertain and empower them. Today, we are tackling one of the biggest stressors, US travel insurance for our visiting parents with pre-existing conditions. So let's talk about decoding the jargon. Acute onset versus full pre-existing. Before we start sharing the plans you should purchase, you need to keep in mind some important things. Most people buy the wrong plan because of these two terms. Number one, acute onset of pre-existing conditions and pre-existing conditions. They sound similar, but they are worlds apart, and it's important to understand the definition before you pay a single dollar. Acute onset of a pre-existing condition. An acute onset can be described as a sudden recurrence or a flare-up of a past treated condition after the start of the policy, and you must receive care within 24 hours of onset. Keep in mind that it requires that no medications were taken after the treatment was done. Let's understand this with an example. If a traveler receives treatment for kidney stones before purchasing travel insurance and the kidney stones spontaneously come back after the start date of the insurance, this may be considered an acute onset of pre-existing condition. Diabetes, blood pressure, hypertension are considered to be chronic, long-developing pre-existing illnesses which may require medication treatment to keep the conditions in control. This is why they are not considered to be acute onset of pre-existing conditions. Now, also keep in mind, it does not cover routine maintenance, checkups, or I ran out of medication scenario. So here's what you need to remember. CCP conditions are not covered under acute onset of pre-existing conditions. C as in chronic, which means long-lasting. C for congenital, pre-existing before you took the plan. P as in progressive conditions that may get worse over time and are not covered with acute onset due to the short-term nature of the plans. Now let's understand pre-existing condition coverage. Pre-existing condition is any condition that was an ongoing condition present in the body at the time of the purchase, whether known or unknown. Example, if they are diabetic and you want a plan as a safety net just in case any worsening related to diabetes happens, which can lead to major issues, you should buy a plan that covers for pre-existing conditions. The look back period here, insurance check the last 60 to 180 days of your parents' medical history in India. If their medication changed or they had new symptoms just before flying, the condition must be considered unstable and excluded from coverage. Comprehensive versus fixed plans. Without getting too deep into the definitions, here is what I'll suggest. Always choose comprehensive coverage plans for parents. Fixed plans pay lower, preset amounts like $500 for an ER visit, whereas comprehensive plans use PPO networks and pay a percentage of the actual bill, which is essential given US healthcare costs. Now, the pre-existing condition checklist. Okay, one last thing before you hit purchase. Go through this checklist to ensure the plan actually fits your parents' health profile. Check the stable period. Does the plan require the conditions to be stable, like no medical changes for 24 months? Look for sublimits. A plan might have a $1 million total limit but only pays $20,000 specifically for a heart-related pre-existing emergency. Verify the network. Does the plan use a major US network like United Healthcare or First Health? This ensures the hospital bills goes to the insurance directly. Always go with the plans that use either of these two networks. Check the 24-hour rule. The 24 hours signifies that the flare-up was so bad that you needed to see a doctor in 24 hours. The condition was stable, no change in treatment for at least 30 days before your coverage start date. Confirm refill exclusions. None of the plans would cover for routine care, follow-up, second opinions, treatments, refills related to pre-existing conditions. Now, top plans for pre-existing conditions. Okay, now the part why you click to watch this video. We have researched the plans available on Visitors Coverage that specifically address these needs and found 4 great plans. 2 comprehensive coverage plans and 2 fixed plans. Let's start with the comprehensive ones first. Comprehensive plans are high protection. These are the peace of mind plans. They generally use a UHC PPO network and pay a percentage of the actual bill, like 75% to 100% rather than a small fixed amount. Number 1 is INF Elite X with pre-existing coverage. The big win here is this is a standout because it offers full pre-existing coverage for travelers up to age 99. It's not just just for sudden emergency. It covers doctor visits, lab work, and specialist care worsening or emergency related to chronic illnesses like diabetes. The pre-existing coverage covers up to $50,000 for ages 0 to 69 and $20,000 for 70 to 99. The look-back period is 24 months. The network uses United Healthcare Options PPO network for direct billing and negotiated rates. Keep in mind, there is a minimum purchase required for 90 days, and the plan also needs to be purchased before leaving the home country. It is also one of the costliest plans out there, but it's also the plan that will give you the most peace of mind. Number 2, Visitors Protect. Specifically designed for visitors with pre-existing conditions, offering coverage up to age 99. The pre-existing coverage limits are typically $25,000 for those under 70 and $20,000 for those 70 and older. The look-back period, the condition must be stable and no changes in medication since the last 30 days of the policy start date. The network uses United Healthcare PPO network. The extra perk includes Care Clicks consultation, allowing you to speak to a doctor via phone or video for non-emergencies. Now let's talk about the limited plans, which are more budget-friendly. These are fixed benefit plans. They are cheaper upfront but only pay a preset dollar amount for each service. Example, a specific amount for a hospital day or a doctor visit. You are responsible for any balance above that fixed amount. Number 1, INF Premier X. The big win here, like the Elite plan, this offers full pre-existing coverage for stable conditions from day 1 for travelers up to age 99. The pre-existing coverage covers up to $40,000 for ages below 69 and $25,000 for above. The look-back period is 24 months. It provides direct billing through United Healthcare PPO network. It is significantly more affordable than the Elite plan because it is a fixed amount plan. Number 2 is Choice America. The big win here is it's a budget-conscious plan that offers an optimal rider to add limited pre-existing coverage. The pre-existing coverage, this is basic limited coverage intended for elderly parents. The look-back period is 24 months depending upon the specific policy details. It is part of the First Health PPO network. The extra perk includes US border entry protection, which can reimburse you if your parents are denied entry at the airport. Now, everyone's situation and needs are different. We can only share our research and direct you to the resources. However, before buying any of these plans, please look at the fine print and read the fine print to ensure this is the right plan for your needs. Now, let's quickly talk about the age wall. What changes at 70 and 80? You may have noticed that most plans have age limits. The insurance landscape changes drastically as our parents age because insurers view those over 70 as high risk. At age 70, many plans drastically reduce the acute onset benefit. Most of the comprehensive plans would cover acute onset up to certain policy max for ages below 69. The day they turn 70, premiums also spike significantly here. At age 80, your options shrink even more. Most comprehensive plans cap the total policy maximum at $10,000 to $20,000, which barely covers a few hours in the US emergency room. Now, why this matters? If your parents are over 70, you cannot just look at the policy maximum. You must look at the benefit schedule to see the tiny sublimits for their specific age bracket. Let's understand the pro tips for a paid claim. This is the doctor's note. Before they leave India, get a fit to travel certificate and a summary of their stable health from their local doctor. This is the best defense if a claim is later denied as unstable. The medication strategy. Bring a 6-month supply of meds plus a clear prescription from India. Don't rely on US insurance for these. The PPO network. Always check if your local urgent care is in network before your parents land. The timing. Buy the policy before they leave India. Buying it after they land often triggers a waiting period or immediate exclusion of pre-existing conditions. Navigating US healthcare is a headache, but the right plan gives you the peace of mind so that you can focus on the memories. You can find and compare all the plans we discussed on Visitors Coverage. We'll drop the exact link in the description too. We hope you found this video helpful, and please like the button if you do, and please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button and leave a comment. If you think we missed any information and you've had some experience that you'd like to share with the community, please share that below in comments. And remember, if things aren't going your way, it's okay, because they will eventually turn around. With that, this is Priya signing off. Have a wonderful day.